compteur prévu de 50 mm par endroit dans les orages. Vendu.
At 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 19, 2022, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for RM of Stea, and including Richard.
13h55 le mardi 19 juillet 2022, une alerte d'orage violent heure normale de l'Est en vigueur pour MR de Saint-Anne incluant Richie.
Mercredi, caractère santé maximale de 1 ou risque.
At 2:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 19, 2022, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for RM of Hanover including Steinbach, Niverville and Grunthal.
14h07 le mardi 19 juillet 2022, une alerte d'orage violent heure normale de l'Est en vigueur pour MR de Hanover incluant Steinbach, Niverville et Grunthal.
Mark.
14h32 le mardi 19 juillet 2022, une alerte d'orage violent heure normale de l'Est en vigueur pour MR de Taché incluant Lorette, Sainte-Geneviève et Lenmark.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kitson County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Roseau County in northwestern Minnesota until 3:15 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Caribou, or 36 miles west of Roseau, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Caribou and Fennekrek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
UV index 8 or very high. Wednesday night.
At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 19, 2022, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for RM of Brokenhead including Beausejour and Garson.
16h04 le mardi 19 juillet 2022, une alerte d'orage violent heure normale de l'Est en vigueur pour MR de Brokenhead incluant Beausejour et Garson.